Welcome to the Baldwin County Airport, located in central Georgia, just north of Milledgeville. We're flying the 172 around the pattern today.
Baldwin County traffic, Cessna 737 Whiskey X-rays, departing on way 28 Baldwin.
The Baldwin County Airport is located in central Georgia, just north of the city of Milledgeville, on the banks of Lake Sinclair.
Power is set. Good RPMs. Everything's in the green. Airspeed's alive. There's 55.
As we take to the skies for this trip around the pattern at Baldwin County, please like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to stay updated on new videos. After we take off, we'll be pitching for 70 to 80 knots for our climb. As we climb out, you can already see some of the lake off the left wall.
Baldwin County traffic, Cherokee 4137, departure Lake for runway 28. It's going to make a right turn onto North Baldwin County.
That last radio call was a Piper Cherokee that took off in front of us. Once we reach about 700 feet above the ground, we'll turn left for the left crosswind, runway 28.
Baldwin County traffic, Cessna 737 Whiskey X-rays, left crosswind, 28 Baldwin.
As we turn left for the downwind, we'll be leveling off at 1,000 feet above the ground, which is the altitude we'll be flying the downwind at.
Baldwin County traffic, 737 Whiskey X-rays, left downwind, 28 Baldwin.
On the downwind, I'll pull the power back to about 2,000 RPM, just to keep a nice smooth 85 to 90 knots. While we're on the downwind, you will get a good view of Lake Sinclair. Lake Sinclair was built in 1953 when they dammed up the Oconee River. As we pass our touchdown point, I'll add 10 degrees of flaps and start a slow descent for landing. As we approach the left base, I'll add another 10 degrees of flaps so we can start slowing down.
That's County traffic, Cat 59 Reserve Golf Kilo, maneuvering in the air batted box 3,000 to 5,000 MSL, Jackson County.
Baldwin County traffic, 737 Whiskey X-rays, left base, 28 Baldwin.
Now that we're on the base, I'll add another 10 degrees of flaps for a total of 30, and that's what we'll be landing with today.
Baldwin County traffic, 737 Whiskey X-rays, final 28 full stop Baldwin.
Now that we're on final, the airplane's fully configured and we're slowing down. We'll fly the final at 65 with a touchdown speed of 60. As we roll out and clear the runway, thank you for flying along in the 172 with me today. See you in the skies, and fly safe.
Baldwin County traffic 737 West X-rays clear 28, taxiing back 28 Baldwin.